Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn a new stitch called closed fly stitch. Its level is intermediate. This is a very beautiful stitch which looks more or less like fern stitch, but the method of stitching is different. We can also put this stitch very close to each other for filling leaves and flower petals. For this closed fly stitch, we should draw 3 parallel lines, and let us start in one end and insert the needle on the other end straight to the previous stitch and take it out in the center and the thread below the needle. Insert the needle in the center line and take it out in the side line straight to the previous stitch. Now you have finished one fly stitch. Then insert the needle on the other side straight to the previous stitch and take it out in the center in the previous point. Thread below the needle and pull over. Now insert the needle in the center line below the previous stitch and take it out on the left line straight to the previous stitch. You have finished the second fly stitch. Again insert the needle on the other side straight to the previous stitch and take it out in the center line, thread below the needle and pull over. Again insert the needle in the center line, take it out in the side line straight to the previous stitch and pull over. Insert the needle straight to the previous stitch on the other side and take it out in the center. Thread below the needle, pull over. Once again from center to one side, again on the other side to the center, thread below the needle. And I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. And now we have finished this pretty closed fly stitch. I hope you like this video, and this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you.